Greeting learners, my name is Dennis Seguir and I am the instructor for this course. It is my distinct pleasure to join you here in this course room in discovering this fantastic field of technology. We're going to cover a variety of topics from basic hardware components all the way up to technology software. Technology is a strong passion of mine. I've been dealing with technology for the last 20 plus years of my career. I started off as a programmer analyst and ended up as a software application developer. And during that whole time, 20 plus years, I also adjunct as an instructor because I love teaching the knowledge that I've learned over these years to everyone. And so now I am a full-time instructor teaching technology. A fun fact about me, I am a huge sports fan. Football is my passion, then basketball, and then a little baseball sometimes. But football and basketball is my favorite. And one fun fact about me is I have two little Shih Tzus that I breed. So somebody say, "Oh, big guy like you who played football and so forth, breed little bitty Shih Tzu puppies." So it's funny, but I love them to death. Again, I'm excited about this course and welcome, and definitely I'm here to help you throughout your course so you can be successful and move on in your endeavors.